Hi there, welcome to the Truehost Academy. In today's video, we will walk through how to add a blog post on WordPress using Elementor. If you're new to Elementor or WordPress, don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Let's dive in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You should see the main menu on the left side. To create a new blog post, go to Posts and then click Add New. You'll be taken to the post editor. Here you can add your post title and content. But since we're using Elementor, we'll need to switch to Elementor's editing mode. Click the Edit with Elementor button. This will open the Elementor editor where you can design your post using its powerful drag and drop features. Now you're in Elementor. You'll see a preview of your post on the right side and the Elementor widgets on the left. You might want to add a section or two to structure your content. Drag and drop a section or a widget to the area where you want it. For instance, you can use the heading widget for your title, text editor for the content, and image for adding visuals. Customize each widget by clicking on it and using the options on the left. You can adjust text size, colors, margins, and more. Don't forget to use the Style tab to match your blog's design. Once you're happy with your content, you can preview it by clicking the eye icon at the bottom. This lets you see how it looks before publishing. If everything looks great, click the Publish button to make your post live. If you want to save it as a draft or schedule it for later, you can use the options here. And that's it. You've successfully added a blog post on WordPress using Elementor. Make sure to check your site to see the final result. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.